Let's make a barbed wire sign. First, I need to design it on my laptop so I can send a proof to my customer. I usually use Silhouette Design Studio for this. After approval, it's time to laser cut the barbed wire. I'm cutting it out on 1/4 inch maple plywood. We are also adding an EST date. I love personalizing signs and making each one different. Now I'm on to the fun part. Scroll saw cutting an elf out of barnwood. My scroll saw has a hard time cutting through this 100-year-old pine lumber. It is 1 inch thick and solid. Slow and steady, we get it done. Just needed to round that last corner off. Look at that grain. You don't see lumber like this anymore. I am also using barnwood to frame the sign. I have it cut into strips already. So now I am routing out a rabbit so that the backer will fit inside the frame. I am mitering the ends to have nice corners. To keep people from getting splinters in their fingers, I clean up and sand each piece of barnwood. I also apply a clear coat of General Finishes clear coat in flat. It helps to smooth out any rough places, and it does not change the color of the wood. It's really great stuff. Notice the old saw marks and nail holes? I can't imagine how much time was spent on building a home and a barn way back then. Here I have the 1/2 inch maple backer cut, and I just finished gluing the frame around it. I have stained the barbed wire and established date, so last step is glue up. And here it is. Check out the elf. It would not be complete without hammering in an old square nail.